Okay, first graders, I want you to close your eyes and think about the best breakfast you have ever had. Okay, this could be one we had at school, or it could be the one you always pick to have on your birthday, or just a special breakfast you guys have for a certain holiday. Okay, just think about the best breakfast you've ever had. What was it? What made it so delicious? Okay, that is what you are going to write about today. And I hope that you do such good writing that when I read it, I feel like I have to go have that breakfast right then. Okay, so think really carefully about what reasons you're going to share about what makes this the best breakfast ever. Okay, so here we have, in my opinion, we're starting the same way we've done every time. In my opinion, I think, yesterday we said I would rather, but today we're just doing I think, because we're not choosing between just two things. There's a whole bunch of things. In my opinion, I think the best breakfast is what? Phew, excuse me, allergies. I think the best breakfast is blank. Okay, share what the best breakfast is. And you know what? There are some ideas down here. Are those the only ones you can choose from though? Nope. You might have something that's not listed. My first thought when I was reading this was called German pancakes. Different than regular pancakes, okay? Not on this list. Just something in my own head, my own opinion. So, in my opinion, I think the best breakfast is blank. Okay, then we share why we feel that way. We're going to give one of the reasons. I feel that way because blank. Okay. Do you like waffles or French toast because you can put a bunch of different toppings on it? Do you like cereal because there are so many different kinds? Do you like, I don't know, I know a lot of you like the French toast sticks at school, okay, or the sausage and pancake on a stick. So what is your favorite and why? One of the reasons you feel this way, feel that it is the best, okay? Then we share our second reason. Remember, you can pause any time if you need more time. I also think this because blank. Give your second reason. Okay? And then remember, we share our conclusion, which restates our opinion. We say that is why, confirming the reasons we provided. That is why. And you've got the whole back you can use as well. That is why I think the best breakfast is blank. And don't forget that period. And they do have the reminders, capital, spaces, punctuation here. Okay? Capital, spaces, punctuation here. And a lovely place for you to draw your favorite breakfast. Okay, so there's our conclusion. That is why I think the best breakfast is blank. Okay. I'm hoping to come up with some wonderful breakfast ideas as soon as I read these.